This is just a quick video showing how I made my cheap, reliable RC transmitter just using an Arduino. Here's a list of all the components that I used. All the pricing is in USD, and you can see here's a comparison to a cheap Chinese unit. I sourced all my components off AliExpress, and the total is $14.78. This also includes the shipping. The only thing that I would like to change on this list, and I have ordered for myself, is an extended aerial NRF24 that comes with the amplifier unit attached for an extra couple of dollars. Here is my current version of the transmitter. You can see the box is a bit rough, but that's because I keep changing things and moving things around. At the moment I've only got one channel on this analog stick and two on this, as that's all I need for my RC cars and RC planes. This is just a simple digital analog switch. Here is the antenna for the NRF24, and finally a slider, that potentiometer that I use for throttles for my RC plane. Here's the micro USB used for charging. The on and off switch is here. At the moment the LCD is just set up to show the throttle percentage, but it can be used to show many things. And here's a ribbon that I use for checking wind direction when flying. Let's open it up and have a look inside. Here we see the 18650 battery that's connected to the TP4056 charging and protection module. And then we got a little boost converter to bring the voltage up to 7 volts. That goes through a switch to the VIN port on the Arduino Nano. The 3 variable analog inputs here are connected to the analog pins of the Arduino. The 16x2 LCD display uses an IC2 module just to get the amount of wires down. You only need 2 going into the pins analog 4 and analog 5 of the Arduino, rather than the 6 that you would need if you did not use this module. I use some PCB headers here so the Arduino can easily be lifted out to change code or if it breaks down. There is also a small 3.3 voltage regulator and capacitor underneath the board that goes to the NRF24 to make sure it's always getting a constant power. Because of the modularity of all the components, it's an extremely easy project to build. The 18650 battery that I use inside is also cheap to get second hand. I think mine only cost about $1.22. And finally, here is a schematic showing all the components and how they're wired together with the Arduino Nano in the middle.